Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 1 plus 3 secant of s. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to 3 secant of s tan s ds. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. Secant of s tan s ds we change by du over number 3. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.